Hello, my sweet friends. This is Mary. Welcome back to Cards TV. I cannot believe it is November. I have not made a card in 4 months, guys. And I have missed you all so very much. I don't know if I even remember how to make a card. But today I'm going to try and make a fun fold Christmas card for you. This is called a faux center step card. And I've already cut my cardstock. This is a really pretty Christmas green. Now this first piece is cut at 11 by 4 1/4. And the second piece is cut at 2.5 by 9 inches. So our 11 by 4 1/4 piece, we are going to score at 1 inch. Now I've got my Martha Stewart scoreboard here. Then we're going to score it at 2 inches. Then 6.5 inches. And for our 2.5 by 9 inch piece, we're going to score this at 3.5 inches. I'll get my scoreboard out of the way and we'll get these folded. Now my cardstock is two-tone. One side is lighter green than the other, but I want to use the darker green for the outside of my card. Now for this 2.5 inch by 9 inch piece that we scored at 3.5, we're going to go ahead and get that score line folded. And then on our base that's 11 by 4 1/4, down here at this 1 inch fold, we're going to go ahead and fold it down. We want to give it a good press. Then on the 2 inch line, we're going to fold it up. And then up here on the 6.5 inch score line, we're going to fold it down. And this is what your card should look like from the side. I know I've got some shadows. I hope you can see that. Now to make our faux center step card, we're going to take this longer part of this 9 inch piece. We're going to flip it over. And we're going to put either some glue or we're going to use our glue runner, which is what I'm doing. We're going to put some right down here at the bottom. And we're going to line this up from side to side and get it flush with the bottom. And we're going to glue this down right here. And I am looking over a camera, so I hope I'm getting it straight. I think I did. This is what we have so far. Now that I've got that on, I'm going to flip it over, and on the other end of this piece, we're going to put some glue runner right there and just fold that down and attach it to the back of our card. And this makes our faux center step card. Now I'm going to pick some papers out to go on here on the front on either side and right here, and then this part right here, and we're going to get this little card finished up. Now I went through all my scraps and I found this red and white stripe that I really liked, and then this little polka dot. It's got red and green polka dots on a white background. Now this is going to go on the center of my card right here, and I cut this at 2 1/4 inches by 4 3/8. The two side panels, the stripes, are 7/8 of an inch by 4 1/4, and then for the bottom, I cut this piece at 7/8 of an inch by 4 1/8. And I'm going to grab my little glue runner and get all these attached to the front of my card. I'm just loving the stripes and the polka dots together, and that red, white, and green. Now, I keep a little box that I throw all my extra Christmas embellishments in. So I went through there looking for something to go on the front of my card. And I found this little gingerbread man. I've got him on some foam tape. And I'm going to put him right here. And I think the gingerbread man, as well as this little wrapped peppermint candy, came from Miss Kate Cuttables. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. I've also got this on some foam tape, and I'm going to stick that little piece of candy right up here. We'll get our gingerbread man down here. And then for the sentiment, this is from one of my Cards TV stamp sets, and we have gingerbread spice and everything nice. I stamped that with some Memento Tuxedo Black ink on this little white banner. And my banner is 2 3/4 by 3/4. I've also got it on some foam tape, and I'm going to stick that right down here. Well, I think this just turned out super cute, guys. Love this little gingerbread man and this candy. Gingerbread spice and everything nice. And then on the inside, I cut a white panel, and it is 4 inches by 4 1/8. And I adhered that down with my tape runner. I stamped May Your Holidays Be Sweet, which is also a Cards TV stamp set I had, and I put another little piece of peppermint candy down there. Thank you all so very much for coming by and spending time with me today while we made this cute little faux center step card. It was super easy to put together. And you can put all kinds of different things on the front, and that little center panel really makes it stand out. So I hope you guys have fun making some of these to send out for your Christmas cards. Once again, thanks so much, guys. I love you all. God bless you all. And I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.